AI. How is AI going to replace my job? I am a medical scribe. I know exactly how my doctor or provider likes everything done. Can a machine ever really do this job, especially in healthcare? I used to think the same way until the day my company called me and said, "From today, your job will be done by AI." That one sentence changed everything for me. If you clicked on this video, you are probably a medical scribe with many doubts about your job security, or maybe you have already lost your job, just like I did. Hi, I am Simran, and I have 5 plus years of experience in medical scribing and documentation. Today, I want to share my story and story of many other scribes who have been silently suffering. If you are one of us, please watch the video till the end. For the last few years, AI has been spreading in all the different work fields, and many people were telling me that AI will take away medical scribing jobs. Honestly, I did not believe it would happen so fast. How can AI pick up on all the small details? What about patient privacy? How can a bot understand real conversation and separate relevant and irrelevant information? That's what I used to tell everyone, even to myself. But then one day, out of nowhere, my company called us for a meeting and said, "From now, AI will handle your work." No warning, nothing. My team, my friends, even my senior manager and team lead, everyone was just shocked. Some people have been in this job for more than 10 years. Suddenly, everyone was thinking, what to do next? In the beginning, when my organization introduced AI in our daily work, me and my teammates couldn't help but laugh about it. We used to joke, "What kind of notes this AI is making? This is so funny." AI missed important details, and frankly, its notes were just a mess. We thought it was just a silly tool that could never replace our hard work. Little did we know, every little correction we made to these messy AI generated notes was actually training the AI model to get better. Slowly but surely, the AI was learning from us. Within just a year, everything changed. The same AI robot that we used to laugh at was now creating almost perfect soap notes, the kind of detailed, structured clinical notes that we scribes spend hours preparing. It had developed an incredible ability to shift through patient conversation and understand what information mattered, distinguishing the relevant from irrelevant almost flawlessly. And the errors? Almost zero. And not just that, the time we used to spend copying, pasting, formatting, and double clicking notes into the electronic health record was now reduced to a single click. The AI was doing it in seconds what took us hours to do. That's when it hit me. The AI, the helper we thought was, actually replacing the core of our job. The tool designed to make our lives easier was slowly but surely taking over. In India, companies like Accenture and Cognizant have already let go thousands of medical scribes. Some people got offers to learn new skills. For many, it was a big struggle. Job that felt safe for years was gone in just few days. Now the people who were working in this field for the past 10 years or were medical transcriptionists for 15 plus years did not know where to start. Because if they switch now to some other field, they will be treated as fresher and the salary packages will obviously be less. If you still think scribing is safe, please don't. By the end of 2026, these jobs will be almost gone. The purpose of this video is not to give you any kind of stress, but to make you aware of the upcoming struggle. So what now? Do not panic, but do not wait either. Start thinking about the skills you can learn. I shared my story here to help you understand the seriousness of the situation and upcoming challenge. I was also confused in the beginning. What should I do now? But I decided to take it as an opportunity, a gentle push to learn something new, an opportunity to enter an industry that could offer a better salary package and, most importantly, a day shift, which means a much better quality of life. It almost took me a year to figure out what will actually work for me. I tried learning video editing and digital marketing. I also did an internship in digital marketing too. In fact, the very video you are watching is edited by me. However, the editing is not very fancy, but it gave me more clarity about what I exactly want in my career. Finally, I switched to clinical SaaS, which offered me a better salary and growth. I combined all my skills and now I provide training on clinical SaaS. Now, what is SaaS? SaaS is a software known as Statistical Analysis System where we can analyze large data and generate some valuable outputs from it. I actually learned this software in 2028, but I never paid much attention to it. But after I lost my job, I got some time to brush up on this skill. Because my post graduation was in clinical research, it aligned with my educational background very well. So, in clinical SaaS, I learned to analyze clinical trial data. The most amazing part about this is that people from any background, medical or non medical, can learn clinical SaaS. It offers better salary packages. It leads to much better career opportunities with salary packages up to 30 to 35 LPA after few years of experience. There are plenty of international job opportunities as well. In the same way, if you are a scribe and you are worried about your job security, I would strongly suggest you to learn some skill. Invest some 1 or 2 hours a day in learning a new skill which can help you switch your job. Not only SaaS, you can look for job opportunities in any artificial intelligence related courses as well. I would suggest you to broaden your vision. Do not fixate only to work from home rules. Prepare yourself for every opportunity that comes your way. So, this is an opportunity to learn a new skill for your future because by the end of 2026, scribing jobs will be gone. It is not just about scribing, medical coding and medical billing jobs will be vanished as well. The truth is, AI is not going away, but you don't have to stay stuck. Keep learning, keep moving forward, and you will find new opportunities. If you would like more detail about my clinical SaaS training courses, please fill out the form linked in the description box below, or you can message me on LinkedIn as well. I am also offering special discounts for ex-medical scribes who want to upskill and secure their future. I have shared my story with you. What about yours? What brought you to this video? Please share your experience, struggle, and the journey in the comment section. It is important to know that you are not alone. If you were already aware of this and you have learned a new skill and switched your job, please comment below and help other scribes explore more career options. Your suggestion could really help someone who is feeling stuck right now. We have sacrificed our sleeps for many years, working long shifts and night duties. Now it's time to support each other and build a strong future together. If you liked this video and found it relatable, please share it with your fellow medical scribes to help them make aware of how AI is changing the industry. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel to stay updated.